them come for black Jayden case. Them want them name for clear. Them want the blackers them for stop. Them want the blackers them for start cuss with each other and forget about Jayden case. It's that them want. But that not go happen and will never happen. Cause me, no matter who come to me and a cuss with me I keep focus on Jayden. And that them want. Them wouldn't mind the whole blogger them a cuss and not call them name for 3, 4, 5 months until we forget them. And that them want. Them bring out chaos. Them bring out chaos for the bloggers. Them bring out chaos. Them bring out chaos for us. Because them want them name clear. The police them don't clear them with a full alibi them give them. The police don't clear them. But I just we is the problem. We is the problem out here. Yes, we. If we could have only just go somewhere and stop talk about it, they would be happy. We are them problem. And some people, me never say me. Some people with the biggest mouth, and them don't like the most. Some people will sit down and listen to, and them don't like the most. Wanna notice some people get more attacked than some? Yes, they don't want none of the bloggers them to come out. They wouldn't mind we are cuss and a cuss a galang so. And lose focus off of Jayden case. And so them, cause right now, and we make them no walk with the perfect crime, you know? Oh, no, see, we make them no walk with the perfect crime. And we make them no walk with the perfect crime. Because the police them don't lock the book already. And we are keep it open. And we are do whatever we can to keep it open. Because Jayden case not just go so. Somebody are go behind bar. One of them are go down. One of them. If I know 2 of them, 1 of them, somebody have to take the, somebody have go to prison. Somebody have to go. Somebody have to go. We only want them catch 1 and 1 start talk everything. Somebody have to go. And this is what it takes. This is what it takes to get justice for Jayden. And this is what we have to do. And we have to continue doing it. We can't stop. We have to continue doing it. If it's this take, we have to do it. You understand? Because unity is strength. And them the likes that we come out and I do this. That's why them send all kind of little insect. All kind of little insect to come out and be a distraction to us. You see all the principal, them think them they get where. Him think them get where. Him think him they get where. But the principal is a big liar. And if he can come out and lie to us, so what more there at the school I do? Hey. People, let me tell you something. Jayden Smith went to school that Friday. Breakfast was also cooked for Jayden. Jayden got his lunch money. Jayden went to Mega Mart. When Jayden went to Mega Mart and go up a Perk Road, that was the end of Jayden Smith. Jayden begged for him to life. But nobody hear Jayden cry. When the principal him come out and tell nationwide, said Jayden was spotted in Mandeville by a lady. And, hold on. Because, you see, we have to...
You pay people!
We're going to make on hear the truth now. Because, you see, this principal, he is an evil man. We're going to make it hear it out of him mouth.
With him, because he was in Mandeville, that's a pizza place quite popular, and they had good interactions. They were sharing meals with him and so on, and the only thing they said is that he ate more than he would have normally eaten, and they all left him there because he told them that he had something else to do in Mandeville. But they would not have suspected anything based on out of the ordinary. He ate a lot and he still carried food with him when we check the footage. But nobody can say whereabouts after that.
So that sounds like, and just based on what you've said to me, that sounds like he was preparing himself not to go home.
Clearly, that we can conclude for sure. We were saying today that, and he's part of the cadet unit as well, but boy, his survival skills are excellent because he has been seen at so many different places, and yesterday the distance that he ran, when I checked that has to be somebody with a lot of energy still to be able to run all that distance and then disappear, and so he's quite elusive, but clearly, and then he had extra money as well. So his guardian would have said that he took out his savings as well, and that was against the plan that they had for the savings that he had. So clearly he had a plan, but nobody knew.
So this was Principal Gabriel. This is a 12-year-old boy. What is he afraid of such that he would prepare himself to be on the run?
There's another question. We're all in the community trial because if it is that he doesn't want to go back home, then there are several places he could just turn himself in, whether to school or to the police or... Because the last thing we did today was to send out, we're going to do a town crime if you say it has started already, so we have coined a voice note to the principal, because we think he will hear it, especially after school hours, just to confirm that, that the school community cares about him. We love him. We want him to return to us. He has a bright future. We don't want him to do anything to himself. So we pleaded with him just to come by and take care of him and whatever the matter is from there. But we cannot know why this youngster would be just running like that and trying to evade everybody. And that's not even seem to be staying at a stable place.
And none of his friends or teachers detected anything strange or unusual about his behavior in the last few days?
Absolutely not, because he's a quiet student but participates a lot in class, loves to answer questions and reading and intelligence. But all of the persons that interacted with the furthest we could go is that they could tell you up to what time they departed from his company on Friday, and he told all of them the same thing, that they had other business to do, it's not ready yet to go home. So they would not have detected anything at all, and because this was not happening before, so for a long time, so nobody would have detected that he would have had any such kind of intention.
So how are you coping, Justin Gabriel, with this situation now, going through the searches, organizing, and also still having to do your usual administrative duties? How are you coping in the staff and Manchester?
That's a good question. It's what we do when we signed up for this vocation. We very well know that it will come with different challenges when you're dealing with young people, and you have to expect.
Guys, and the award goes to the Lion of the Year, the principal of Manchester High School. The award goes to the Lion of the Year, the principal of Manchester High School. Guys, see if you says only lie. This man telling. Him say don't know why Jayden I run from places to places. The man asked him if a friend yard him gone, him don't know. Listen. And the award go to the Lion of the Year, Manchester High School principal. Yes. Yes. Everything him come out and talk was a lie. Jayden, him say me go even talk on the loudspeaker so Jayden can even hear to come back home. That's all the man lie and wicked. Jayden never did nowhere in a Mandeville, no time at all. When them send Jayden to go Park Road, and they say them deal with Jayden. Nobody no see no Jayden. Him claim Jayden come down the town, come by and somebody spot him. So when Jayden no come back down, come by again and people spot him. Because it was a lie. This man came out and tell us a lie. Lie and then talk about to show you how the man lie and wicked and a devil. Him said the woman never called out in time. So nobody never come to help her. Everybody else have them phone. And the one person when know him and see Jayden. Never video Jayden and run up in a bush. Jayden run up in a bush, Jayden have extra strength.